Police encountered a heavily intoxicated man after a rear-end crash who appeared unable to focus on anything except his desperate need to use the restroom.
Please pee. Please pee so I can pee. I have to pee. Can I please pee? Oh, because I have to pee. So I'm going to pee. So f*** you.
As officers attempted to investigate the accident, the man repeatedly returned to the same request, leading to a bizarre and increasingly tense encounter.
You okay?
Yes, sir. I'm just hurrying up.
Okay. Do you need medical?
No, sir.
What's going on today?
I just did not see them in front of me. That's all.
Okay.
May I pee real quick?
Say that again?
I really have to urinate.
You have to urinate? Hold on one
sir.
second. Go ahead.
It's like really bad.
I'm out with the vehicle that rear-ended a truck.
May I please?
Could you go ahead with the description again, dispatch? Do you got a driver's license on you?
I have. It's not validated, but I do have a type of identification. Can I please? I did rear-end them. And I realize that I did not mean to, but can I please?
10-4.
I just.
You got a driver's license?
It's not. No.
Go ahead.
It's going to be invalid. So can I please pee?
Please don't. Please.
Yes, sir. But I just really have to pee. Can I give you what I have so I can pee?
Yeah, I don't got anywhere for you to pee right now. You just got in an accident.
No, it's going to be on that side, and you have to citate me.
Okay.
Fine. But I just really have to pee.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Robert Landry. I'm sorry, can I please just pee? Before you citate me or anything, can I
just get your name down? I need to get your name down quick.
I said my name is Robert.
I need you to spell it for me. R-O-B?
Yeah, Robert.
Okay.
Can I please pee? Please, do.
Give me just a second.
Dude, I don't have a second.
You don't... Are you hurt anywhere at all?
Yes, I'm right here with my brother.
Have you had anything to drink today at all?
Other than water?
Have you had any alcohol or anything?
No, sir.
No alcohol, no nothing?
Well, I drink during the day.
Do you use drugs or anything?
No, I don't do drugs.
Okay.
I'm just trying to... Can I please just pee?
You got a bottle or anything?
Can I pee first? It's in my presence. I just need to pee. Can I please pee?
Do you want to come out over here? We can talk?
Can I please pee?
Why don't you come out over here then?
Yes, sir.
You got a jacket or anything you want to put on?
No,
it's really cold out here.
I just need to pee.
Let's come this way.
Yes, sir.
How much have you had to drink today?
Enough.
Huh? Enough?
Yes.
Is that why you got to pee so bad?
No, I just have to pee really badly because I was trying to make it to...
Where were you coming from?
Across town.
Across town? From where, though?
Can I please pee?
You can barely stand up.
No, because I have to pee. I'm going to pee, so f*** you.
Well, just pee over here so you're away from the cars. Pee over here so you're away from the cars.
You ever been homeless?
No. Are you going to go through fields for me? To make sure you're not too intoxicated to be driving?
sir.
You'll do fields for me?
I don't know what that means. You mean if you're sobriety?
Yes. You'll do that for me?
I don't give you that pleasure. Fuck you.
It's for you. To make sure that you don't...
Oh, is it for me?
Yep.
It's not for me, is it?
It is.
Despite being given multiple opportunities to cooperate, Robert remained fixated on his immediate concerns. As officers tried to move the investigation forward, the conversation became increasingly difficult to manage.
Are you going to want to do fields for me? I need to know now. So I got suspicion that you're drunk right now.
I'm not drunk, I'm angry. There's a difference.
I hear ya.
No, you don't. You hear the words, but you don't hear the actual language. Do you?
So I'm going to ask you one more time. Do you want to do fields with me?
Oh my goodness.
We can go somewhere warmer and do them.
Oh my goodness, you say warmer as in jail, do you not?
I'm asking you if you'll do field sobriety for me.
Yeah, what's going on, man? Right now we just want to perform some field sobriety tests to make sure that you're safe to drive. Are you willing to do some field sobriety tests with us or no? We just want to hear that you're safe to drive a vehicle, man.
Just cuff me. Just do it. Do it, please. And your name is?
Hey, what's your name, man?
Hi, my name is Robert Langford.
Okay.
Can you run them for me?
He's been right. Brutalized on it.
I have a pretty clean record.
Hey, can you stand up? Are you able to stand up for me or no?
Just me,
Hey,
please.
I want to talk to you, okay?
No, hey, I'm trying to be level with you. Just please.
Listen to me.
I'm trying to work.
You listen to me.
Okay.
It's different if you refuse. And I'm trying to give you every opportunity to do this.
You do not listen. You hear words, and that's all. You do not listen. That's it. That's all you're trying to do.
No, I'm just trying to give you...
No, shut up.
Because if you refuse...
No, because if I actually refuse, you should be dead. You. Mr. What's your name?
Chris,
Oh,
I'm trying to give you every opportunity. If you want to do field sobriety tests, we can do them, okay?
That's fine.
You want to?
That's fine. I have the answer, do I not?
Okay. Can you stand up for me? I'll help you up.
I don't have to.
Well,
I am literally holding my hands up.
I'll just detain you for now. I won't place you under arrest.
That is so
Is that okay?
Is it not?
And then we'll get you somewhere warmer and we'll do that field sobriety test, okay? How's that sound?
You're kidding. Shut up! Fine. You don't know what it's like.
Robert, I'm gonna have you stand up, okay?
No, shut up! I don't want to hear from you.
Well, this officer's gonna help you.
Shut up!
Hey, Robert, can you listen to me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. So I understand that you want us to just...
Shut up!
Hey, Robert, just listen to me, okay? Can you focus on me?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay, so I'm just gonna have you stand up, okay? Can you just listen to me, and then we'll take it step by step. I'm gonna tell you everything that we're gonna do. Okay. Yep. I'm gonna. Thank you. Thank you. I know it's cold on the ground. Okay. I'm just gonna help you up. Okay. Ready?
No, I'm sorry.
Yep. Okay. There you go.
Okay.
Okay. So just relax your hands. I'm gonna help you out.
Just gonna put your hands behind your back, okay?
Stop.
Hey. Hey, just relax. Just relax. Okay. Just relax. Put your hands behind your back, okay? Thank you. I got it.
You up.
Just relax, okay? You could just listen to me and talk to me.
Sure,
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. I will.
Just relax.
How about that?
Go to my car at least.
We got a tow truck coming.
Just sit back. Thank you. And they're not that same officer. He's gonna...
No, I know, but I will kill him.
Just relax for a second, okay?
Can I just catch my breath?
Yep, you can catch your breath. Just go to your knees.
Okay.
You want to go back up to your feet now?
Hey, Robert, we got to ask you some questions here.
Hold on. Yes.
You want to go in the ambulance here where it's warm?
It's warm in there. All right.
You got to get up.
All right, I'll help you up.
I
Ready?
know. Just short. Wait.
You want me to help you up?
1,
2, 3.
3.
Yep. Good job.
Good work, Robert.
All right, let's go.
Well,
I'm going to help you out. Ready? Robert, what do you mean by kind of? Did you use drugs tonight or not? We just need to know for medical.
He's been drinking.
Oh, yeah. Or any other drugs?
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah. Yep. I'll be in my squad right in front. I'm just going to get him work for him.
because he will. And
Just one more set down, okay?
Can I just fix my belt, please?
I
Please?
gotcha.
Just like pull it off.
Yep.
It comes off.
There you go. All right, ready?
Okay, where am I going?
Let me get this. Just forward. We gotta close this door. Let's just go on this sidewalk over here. Okay. Let's go on this side. Okay. All right, go this way, Robert. Good, nice. Put your butt in first, and then kind of. There you go. Good work. Yeah, some earbuds. Okay.
Okay, thank you guys.
Seatbelt on, okay?
Yeah, that's sorry.
Can you lean back for me?
Oh, you.
Hey. Hold on. Nice. I'll meet you over there.
I appreciate that, though. I got everything.
I have anxiety. Can I please just have some f***ing water?
I'll get you some water, okay?
Thank you.
So,
What do you want
this is
now?
going to read that it's all zeros for me?
Yeah, I understand what a breathalyzer is. Just let me blow into it
So hold on
I
one
can...
sec. I'll show you that it's going to read all zeros just like that. I'm going to set it. I'm going to have you blow into this like you're blowing up a balloon. Ready? Go. Just blow as hard as you can. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Good job. I appreciate your honesty. Hold it. He's pretty wobbly.
I'm not even
Let's go to the car. It's okay. Yeah, you had a lot.
Can you please stop just like being so aggressive?
Nope, I'm not trying to be aggressive. I just don't want you to fall.
I just want some water, please.
We'll get you some water after I do my paperwork and we get you in there, okay? And the other officer's gonna go get you water.
Can we please stay right here?
Well, I gotta go do some paperwork in my car really quick, okay? Can you come with me?
No. I just want water.
He's getting you water, he said. The other officer is.
Do I go fight you right now?
No, he's getting you water. And he's gonna bring it to you while I'm doing the paperwork because you hit 3
All I
cars.
want right now. I just want water.
He's bringing it. He's bringing water. Okay?
No, it's not okay.
He's bringing it. Let's go back in the warm car, okay?
No, shut up.
Please? Let's go back in the warm car.
You say please and you push me.
Well, because I don't want you...
Can you
want you
please?
all over it.
I'm asking you here too.
There we go. Come back this way.
Back around this way.
Come back this way, please. Come on.
Okay, I actually did not know what...
After multiple interactions with officers and medical personnel, Robert was ultimately taken from the scene for further investigation. Throughout the encounter, officers worked to determine whether impairment had contributed to the crash, while also addressing concerns about Robert's condition and safety. What began as a routine rear-end collision evolved into an unpredictable roadside encounter marked by emotional outbursts, repeated requests, and growing frustration on all sides. The incident serves as another reminder of how quickly a seemingly minor traffic accident can become far more complicated for everyone involved. As with all cases, everyone featured in this video is presumed innocent, unless and until proven guilty in a court of law.